back to this new puzzle. Today we are gonna look at Bitcoin and Ethereum in a new perspective. My point of view is that probably Fed finished the weapons against the crypto market, that it is highly speculated during this period of time. I will explain why I think it in that way, also from the technical perspective and from fundamental perspective as well, that is related with the interest rate decision and the actions that Fed is actually taking during this period of time. As you can see, during this FOMC on September 21st, Fed increased the interest rate by 0.75% or 75 basis points. That was a very hawkish signal from Fed that is going to support the economy to lower the inflation rate. But on the other hand, we can see that officials' median view of policy rate at end 2023 rises to 4.6 from 3.8. Also, on the other hand, we can see that this is a stronger hawkish signal that Fed is taking. It means that during 2003 we are going to have an increase that can go up to 1.1% from 3.5 that it is actually right now. But the 1.1% will be distributed during the coming month and years. So up to the end of 2023 we can see the interest rates of the US dollar to come to 4.6 as maximum, but they will also be revised by Fed step by step as they actually pointed out. So it will not be a one process that will be done in one step. I don't think that during the coming months that they will increase the interest rates with higher numbers like the one that they did, so probably we may see 0.25 or 25 basis point. But my thinking about the end of the weapons from Fed is that, considering that they showed the final numbers, considering to the new projection when it comes to interest rates, I think that they will not have anything stronger than this to use in the coming months. So all of this is actually priced in, or probably it will be priced in very soon, and the market participants will not expect anything that will be more stronger than this news. Considering during the previous months, I'm getting back to our charts right now on Bitcoin chart, we can see that during this candle, it was on September 6th, as you can see from the date here. This is the date, September 6th and September 21st. On September 13th, we can see two decisive points for the bearish movement, and after that we can see the bullish movement. On the bearish movement, we saw the non-farm payroll data that were on the first Friday of September. They came out lower than expected, and it means that it was in line with the Fed expectations to decrease the job numbers and also to slow down the growth of the economy below the normal trend. But on the other hand, the market at this point was anticipating that the interest rate was going to increase only by 0 basis point as long as this movement was in line with Fed expectations. And after the market understood this point, we can see this bullish movement that happened during the next days. So it was a very fast bullish movement. It was approximately a 20% price increase. But what happened on September 13th, that we can see the next bearish movement? I will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. The CPI data came out very high. It means that Fed was supposed to increase the interest rate by 0.75 here at this moment. The speculation begin to come in the market again, and the market was anticipating that with higher CPI data, the Fed was going to increase the interest rate by 0.75%. And since that moment, price decreased again. On September 21st, that is this candle here, I'm going to mark this candle as well, we can see that this was the Fed decision. Fed decided to increase the interest rate by 75 basis point or 0.75%. We didn't see anything at all to happen at this moment, very small up and downs movements. So look at what happened. Price came a bit lower after the FOMC. During FOMC nothing happened here. This is the part of FOMC movement. So we saw this decrease up to 8%, and after this moment price continued to recover again. So now we are not expecting anything at all from Fed and any other action. What I see is that if price is going to break down below the structure right now, it will not be related at all with Fed anymore, even if price is going to break lower, but it will be directly related with the crypto market news. So for the moment all the economical part is absorbed from the market. We have the miners that have the volume accumulated at this point that they are not selling at all because the price is very low and they want to cover also their expenses. So this is what I actually see here, and we have also a lot of bullish volume that is accumulated during this period of time. This is accumulation process, and what I think is that we are all done. I hope that we are not going to see any strange news related with the crypto market. If that is going to happen, let's say the bearish scenario, if any one of you is looking for the bearish wave, it will come only if price is going to break 17,600, and in my opinion that is the stop loss area where you should move out from this trade. After that we can never know when the market is going to move below $17,000. So this is my expectation. On the other hand, the minimum expectation that I'm expecting right now is that we can see this ABC movement, and price at this point can test the upper part of the structure. This is a minimum scenario that I am expecting for the price to develop on the actual situation, on the actual conditions. Just one moment. So we can see price to test the upper part of the structure again, close to 24,800, 24,000. This is minimum expectation. But what can happen if price is going to test the upper part? If price is going to come here, we can see the structure also to keep expanding, because we can't anticipate the next movement at all. But this is a must in my opinion. On the other hand, if price is going to increase the bullish volume, exists the possibility that we can be also in a potential 5-wave movement. So we can be in the first wave, second wave correction, and the third wave may come very soon. So this is another potential scenario. I really like to think that we can be on the third wave that may develop right now. On the 4-hour, we can see it clearly that the price is actually consolidating at this point. I'm going to clean this a little bit. And if you want to trade in a better, let's say, position with Bitcoin, I think that price should bounce above the upper part of the structure. So let's say it should bounce above 90,950, and a better place will be above 20,200. So this is the area that the price needs to break through in order to confirm the continuation movement. This will be perfect, and it will increase the bullish volume very fast after this movement. The next one that I am also looking at, and I have shared also in our group, is Ethereum. We are in the same situation also with Ethereum as we have seen before. Fed is pushing a little bit more on Ethereum. The problem is with the merge that it is actually facing, and on the other hand, Ethereum has more space to cover on the lower part of the structure, so it can keep moving lower also from this point. On Ethereum, my actual perspective is that now price completed this 5-wave movement. This is the first one, and we are on the third wave movement. On the daily chart, probably the price completed the correction, the ABC correction, but it has also some chances to decrease up to 1,100. So the chances are possible as well. If this is going to be the right way of counting and how the price is actually developed, this is what I actually see here. So Ethereum should increase higher. The minimum movement for Ethereum, it should be again the top of the structure that can make as minimum movement, and price can come lower again. So this is in an opposite side with Ethereum because the price is not developing in the same way. So we can see this type of potential movement that may also happen with Ethereum. This is what we may expect. Minimum is 2000, and after that it will be on the third wave if price is going to break out from this point, from the upper part of the structure. So let's see how it may develop. As long as Bitcoin is on the lower part of the structure, also Ethereum should create the reversal point close to this area. I think that it will be very interesting considering also the actual market position. Bitcoin is at the lowest point, so it is adding value that probably we are at the reversal point also here in Ethereum. It can happen also as possibility that we can increase our chances on Ethereum if price is going to break down from this, to break out from this small structure. So if you want a better place for confirmation, this is a better place. Ethereum should bounce above this small zone, 1392, let's say 1400 probably, and after that the price should keep rising higher and with very strong bullish volume. So that's all for Bitcoin and Ethereum and how Fed can impact the market, but I don't think that they will impact the markets anymore. So let's see what is going to happen with these two. So it will be very interesting, I guess, in the coming months. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you will be notified in time for all the analysis that we publish. Thank you, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Bye bye.